Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Icarly again, and today we are going to be exploring Carly's apartment. So let's get into it. So this is the living room, and this is the kitchen. But sadly, if you were thinking that they would be able to go upstairs, you cannot. I mean, you used to be able to, from what I'm understanding, you used to be able to go upstairs, but it doesn't look like you can anymore, sadly. But this is her couch, and this one you can actually sit on it, which is very cool. This is her computer, which is, for some reason, Dell. She's got pictures all over it, but a lot of them say Roblox. But I don't know why, but there's like this all like, yeah, Spencer's room's over here. I could show you that, but Carly's room is like all messed up, and I know they had it because I saw it once, but I wasn't able to get up there, so I can't show you Carly's room, but I wish I could. But this is where upstairs used to be. This is the kitchen. This is the fridge. This is all like the table. I wish you could go in here, but that's never shown in the series, so I understand why you can't go in there. But what I'm saying is, you guys hear what I'm saying? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys!